What's going on, guys? Tony and Tucker here again, and in this video I want to talk to you about how we can work on knee extension, getting the knee straighter while you're sitting on your couch at home, or in a minute we're going to do some standing exercise. But basically, if you think about knee extension, there's a couple important components that we need to pay attention to. So if I sit back, I prop my heel up on the couch in front of me, I'm just relaxing like this. What's happening is obviously gravity is pulling down on the knee into extension. The fact that I don't have any contact with the couch, so it would be very different if I was sitting like this, because now the tightness in my hamstring and the support of the couch is actually keeping my knee a little bit flexed. If I'm gonna prop, I wanna prop with no support under the knee. In fact, what I would do ideally is I would cross my legs. So now I've got the non-surgical leg on top, the surgical leg on the bottom. I can bring the pressure above the knee. So now the weight of the right non-surgical leg is resting above the kneecap on the left. In this case, we're saying the left is the surgical side. I can have it below the knee. This creates that little bit of overpressure, just like your therapist would do in the clinic.